Welcome aboard the Boeing 747, the world's largest commercial jet transport. This airplane was developed by confidence and skill. To acquaint you with the 747, let's first discuss size. The airplane is 231 feet long, the passenger cabin is 20 feet wide, and the wingspan is 195 feet 8 inches. The 747 has a fuel capacity of over 47,000 U.S. gallons. 3 compartments beneath the main deck are used to carry baggage and cargo in containers. Capacity is over 30 tons. Because the 747 is nearly 9 feet wider than its predecessor, the 707, the cabin could be designed for maximum comfort and passenger appeal. In-flight food and beverage service is taken care of by numerous galleys. 10 double-width doors provide easy loading and unloading. 5 cross aisles and 2 longitudinal aisles make it possible to reach all areas of the cabin comfortably. Now let's take a trip to the cockpit. A tremendous amount of engineering effort was devoted to cockpit design. Sitting up topside, the pilots have an almost unobstructed view. We have now entered a new age of manned flight. The Boeing 747 is the first of the giants, the pace setter of the new era.